Welcome to the AI for Career Success video overview by Curt Robbins. We're experts at AI coaching and helping professionals like you and your employees upskill in AI. In this overview, we're breaking down a very significant new move from Microsoft that could really reshape the AI landscape. Our analysis is grounded in a TechCrunch article titled Microsoft Takes on AI Rivals with 3 New Foundational Models, which was written by Rebecca Schwituck and published on April 2, 2024.
To really understand what's happening here, you have to start with this statement from Microsoft AI's CEO, Mustafa Suleyman. It truly encapsulates their vision. This signals a focus that isn't just about raw computing power, but about creating practical, human-centric tools. This whole philosophy of humanist AI, that's really the key to understanding the new models they've just unveiled. So, here's the headline news. Microsoft has officially launched its own suite of 3 foundational models. This is a very clear signal that they're developing their own technology stack to compete directly with major AI labs. We're talking Google and, yes, even its own partner, OpenAI. This really marks a significant shift in the entire AI landscape. Okay, so let's break down this May trio, as they're calling it. First up, you've got My Transcribe 1, which handles speech to text. Its main feature is speed, and it's reportedly 2.5 times faster than Microsoft's current Azure Fast service. Plus, it supports 25 languages. Then there's My Voice 1. This is an audio generation model, and it's capable of creating a full minute of audio in just 1 second. And finally, we have My Image 2, a video generation model that was first put through its paces on the My Playground software. Now, while all the technical capabilities are certainly impressive, what's perhaps more interesting is the business strategy behind it all. You see, Microsoft isn't just competing on features. A really core element of their strategy is to undercut the market with some seriously aggressive and competitive pricing. This points to a major push for mass adoption, especially in the enterprise sector. And right here, you can see that pricing strategy in detail. MI Transcribe 1 starts at just 36 cents per hour. MI Voice 1 is priced at $22 per million characters, and MI Image 2 starts at $5 per million tokens for text input. These price points are absolutely designed to be disruptive, positioning Microsoft as a much more cost-effective alternative to its main rivals. So, this obviously brings up a crucial question. We all know Microsoft has invested over $13 billion into OpenAI. So, if Microsoft is now building its own competing models, what does that mean for this landmark partnership? It does seem like a contradiction, doesn't it? Well, the answer seems to lie in a dual-pronged strategy. Microsoft isn't walking away from its deep partnership with OpenAI at all. Instead, it's pursuing in-house development at the same time through its MAI superintelligence team. Think of it like their chip strategy, where the company both designs its own silicon and buys from partners like NVIDIA. And here's the key detail from the source. A recent renegotiation of their partnership with OpenAI is what explicitly allowed Microsoft to pursue this kind of independent research. Okay, so what are the bigger picture implications of this move? This so what for professionals and for the industry is pretty significant. This isn't just another product launch. It's a strategic shift that could really reshape the competitive dynamics of the whole AI market. This slide really lays out the 2 primary strategies we're seeing in the market now. On one side, you have the incumbents. Think OpenAI and Google. They've been focused on creating the most powerful, cutting-edge models out there, trying to establish dominance through superior performance, but at a higher price. Then, on the other side, you have Microsoft's new strategy, focus on practical, cost-effective models to capture a huge part of the market through accessibility and affordability. So, it all comes down to this. Will a cheaper and more practical approach actually allow Microsoft to outmaneuver its rivals? While others seem to be in a race to build the most powerful engine, Microsoft appears to be trying to build the engine that everyone can afford to use. The outcome of this strategic gamble is going to be absolutely fascinating to watch, particularly as it plays out in the lucrative enterprise AI market. Thank you for watching. This is where we teach you AI and help you get smarter than your competition. If you found this overview valuable, please use the QR code at the beginning of this video to buy us a coffee or to hire us to coach you or your employees in AI. Please subscribe to the AI for Career Success YouTube channel and remember to like, comment, and share this overview. It really helps us reach a wider audience of professionals.